Yeah. Yeah. So today I want to talk about one space where all these worlds converge. It's called media. And to be very specific, power and motive-driven media, where it leads and impacts on the society. Media nowadays is not just passive spectator. As storytellers, creators, and communicators, we have this unique ability to shape not just narratives, not just outcomes, but also leaves a lasting impact on policies. In a world increasingly driven by technology, the future of media is no longer passive. It's interactive and profoundly transformative. In the past decade, media has evolved dramatically. From print and TV, it has become data-driven. It has become inclusive in immersion. It has become very AI-driven. At creation in media, we have seen this transformation firsthand. From documenting world's largest food security scheme called PMGKY, where more than 800 million beneficiaries are there. From covering this world's biggest event, Mahakumbh, in our case, Haridwar Mahakumbh. From capturing historical intercontinental relocation of cheetahs to when it comes to leading this media campaign of installation of supercomputers Param Rudra under supercomputing mission all across India. And it also includes IIT Mumbai and IIT Patna. We have also made interactive documentaries on mission life, wherein Prime Minister Modi in Glasgow committed on World Day that by the 2028, 1 billion Indians would be working to mitigate climate change. Then I remember in this recycling of Parani was here, we made this interactive documentary, I'm going to talk about it. So as creation media, our intent has been, we work on this commitment that we're going to bridge a gap between policies, culture, environment, and science, and converts it into interactive languages that would resonate with the masses. In today's fast-paced world, where news spreads faster than the speed of sound, it's very important to disseminate this knowledge of science we have in the right way and at the right time. Let me give you this example. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi, in 2016, he won this Nobel Prize in Medicine for his groundbreaking work on autophagy. This is a process wherein our body starts recycling old and damaged cells, including cancer and Alzheimer's cells during fasting. And interesting and fascinating thing is that this science-based practice has been there in our ancient culture since centuries. But because we could disseminate this knowledge or information timely to our domestic audience or global audience. So this gentleman, Japanese scientist, won this Nobel Prize for some discovery, which was there with our culture, inherent culture, since centuries. So, in a thoughtful way, when it comes to today's media, it can bridge that gap. It can disseminate meaningful knowledge to the masses so that our ancient culture and our intelligent science can be rewarded nationally and internationally. There is another striking example of how meaningful information should be disseminated. I remember we made this documentary recycling of Ferrari for CSIR and Pre-Pokar. So everywhere we know that Delhi and nearby regions get engulfed by smoke and hazardous pollution because of burning of Ferrari stubble, which is this is called Ferrari, burning of this excess paddy stubble, which is called Ferrari. And in this documentary, we showed this technology, how this excess Ferrari, how this paddy stubble can be converted into hybrid particle board, which are very durable and which are very useful when it comes to manufacture of furniture and when it comes to data. So India has 150 million tons of excess Ferrari every year. And just imagine if we recycle this Ferrari into this very durable hybrid particle board, they can save millions of trees being cut down at the same point of time. This problem, this so nefarious problem of local pollution and global climate change would be handled at the same point of time. This new vertical would be added to the market, and this economy also would also get benefited. The next culture of media and storytelling is powered by technology itself. Artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and virtual reality. They are rewriting the very grammar of India. The next chapter of storytelling is being written not on spreadsheets, not on piece of paper, is being written by technology itself. Like in artificial intelligence, it covers millions of data points to comprehend different languages, their culture context, and their emotional traits to shape stories that can resonate with each audience in their own language. As a filmmaker, artificial intelligence gives us the power to listen to millions of voices at once, so that we can recognize patterns of behavior, emotion, and culture, and to shape stories which transform campaigns into living and breathing dialogues. For example, imagine public health films that adapt their tone and language depending on whether they are reaching to urban youth or rural elders, ensuring messages land with precision. Same is here with augmented reality and virtual reality. Now times have changed. AR and VR have dissolved the distance between viewer and narrative. No longer they just watch the film, they step into it. Just imagine a citizen like walking through a virtual farmland to learn the basics of sustainable farming. Or a policymaker finds himself in a simulated flood-hit village to draft disaster responses to be conceived and to be included in the national disaster policy. Because of VR, these stories, they just not become stories, you start living those stories. Data visualization is turning dense, complex reports into compelling interactive experiences. Instead of wading through hundreds of pages, audience can now see patterns, connections, and impacts at a glance. True power of impact-driven media is to engage citizens. It's not enough to inform people, we must inspire them to act. Media is no longer a spectator. It is a participant in governance and citizen empowerment. All the government initiatives and national policies, they achieve maximum impact only when the public understands and engages with them. Creative campaigns access the bridge between intent and impact. In the next decade, the fusion of media, technology and innovation will define how citizens interact with policy, science and governance. As creators, technologists and policymakers, our role is to craft these kinds of narratives which transforms awareness into action, data into understanding and policy into impact. Before I conclude, I would like to acknowledge Professor Ashutosh Sharma's role in transforming science and technology and his contribution in different spheres of innovation. I had the privilege of working with him for several scientific films, and because of his vision, those complex ideas and those complex processes, they got transformed into narration that could resonate with the masses and citizens. His visionary leadership, it shows that how visionary leadership, if combined with science, heritage, and understanding of media, can transform complex subjects like science, which can leave a long and strong societal impact. Thank you for all of your time. I look forward to engaging with all of you that how we can leverage impact-driven media to drive through meaningful societal impact. Thank you.